Good job. Good job. You're holding on so tight. Your balance is pretty good. You need a little bit of help from mommy, but not too much. You don't let go and hold on all by yourself? Good job, Veda. Good job. Oh, you're gonna let go. What's gonna happen if you let go? You have a good grip? Good job. Good job. You're reaching up so high. Good job. You're doing such a good job holding on and balancing. Whoa!